Welcome to my Void Vacuum Blender review. The Void Vacuum Blender transforms your smoothie making experience by removing air from the blending container before mixing your ingredients. You'll notice immediately that your smoothies maintain their vibrant colors longer. The vacuum technology prevents oxidation, keeping those bright greens and deep purples looking fresh and appetizing. Your blends will taste noticeably better too. By removing air before blending, the vacuum system preserves delicate flavors that would normally be lost through oxidation. You can wave goodbye to that annoying foam and separation that happens with regular blenders. The vacuum process creates smoother, more consistent blends that stay mixed longer. Even more importantly, the vacuum technology helps protect sensitive nutrients in your ingredients. This means you get more nutritional value from the fruits and vegetables you blend. You can make larger batches of smoothies and store them for later without worrying about quick degradation. Your blends stay fresh longer without needing any artificial preservatives. The vacuum seal creates smoother, silkier textures in your drinks. You'll experience none of the graininess or chalkiness that sometimes occurs with traditional blending methods. The Void Systems Vacuum Blender comes as a complete system with everything you need to start vacuum blending right away. You'll receive a specially designed vacuum lid that's assembled in the USA, along with a wireless charging station and USB cable to keep it powered up. The core components include a blender base with US power cord, a 1.8-liter blender jar for large portions, a tamper for texture control, and for pushing ingredients toward the blades, a basic hard lid for when you just want to blend normally, and an adapter lid gasket. Considering how much impressive technology is under the hood, operating the system is surprisingly straightforward. Load your ingredients, attach the vacuum lid, activate the vacuum pump, blend once pressure is reached, then release and enjoy your enhanced smoothie. At the time of recording, the Void Systems Complete Vacuum Blender solution is currently on sale at a significant discount. And although I can't guarantee it'll be on sale by the time you see this video, I do have a coupon code that will get you an extra $20 off your purchase. Just enter the code KitchenHacks at checkout. Link is in the description. The Void Vacuum Blender lid transforms your VitaMix into a vacuum blending powerhouse. You simply attach it to your blender jar before blending, and it removes air from the mixture to create a better blend. The benefits of vacuum blending with the Void lid are impressive. Your smoothies will maintain brighter colors and better flavors since there's less oxidation. You'll also notice significantly less foam and separation in your drinks. Using the Void lid with your VitaMix is straightforward. Add your ingredients, secure the lid, and press the button to remove air. Once it reaches the right pressure, turn off the vacuum and blend as usual. If you love VitaMix as much as I do, then this lid will be the final piece of the blending puzzle. You get the power of VitaMix with the smoothie quality of Void Systems. Similarly, the Void Vacuum Blender lid transforms your Blendtec blender into a high-tech smoothie machine. It fits perfectly on Blendtec Wildside Plus and 4-sided jars, creating an airtight seal for vacuum blending. This USA assembled lid generates powerful suction to remove air from your blends. Your smoothies will maintain better color and taste with less foam and separation. No more layers of ingredients floating to the top. If you already have a Blendtec or are thinking of getting one, then I can honestly say that buying this vacuum blending lid is almost as important as getting the blender itself. Taking good care of your Void Systems vacuum blender will help it serve you better for years to come. The vacuum lid needs special attention to maintain its performance. Never put your Void lid or jar in the dishwasher. Gentle hand washing is the way to go. While you can definitely clean it with soap and water and rinse it, never submerge the lid completely. Also, store your vacuum lid at room temperature and avoid putting it in the fridge or freezer, as extreme temperatures can damage the sensitive components. Additionally, be gentle with the temperature of ingredients. Avoid using boiling liquids with your vacuum lid, as this can cause damage to the seals. Here are a few more care tips. Wipe the lid with a slightly damp cloth after use. Clean the jar with mild soap and warm water. Dry all parts thoroughly before storage. Now for the pros and cons section of my Void vacuum blender review. Starting with the pros, create smoother, creamier smoothies by removing air bubbles. Your smoothies stay fresh longer due to reduced oxidation. Your smoothies will be healthier because they will retain more nutrients than with conventional blending. The lids are compatible with popular VitaMix and Blendtec blenders, enabling you to enhance your current blending setup. As for the cons, the lids aren't cheap, but neither is the technology. While the price is quite high, I do think that the benefits are absolutely worth paying for. With that in mind, I'll leave my coupon code in the description box so you can get some extra savings. Another drawback is that the vacuum process adds extra time to blending, but it's by no means a chore. The only other downside is that the lids aren't dishwasher safe. So you need to remember to hand wash only if you're used to just throwing your blending lids in the dishwasher. If you already own a VitaMix or Blendtec blender, the Void vacuum blender lid is a worthwhile addition to your kitchen. The vacuum technology removes air from your smoothies, creating a smoother, creamier texture and a drink that's much more nutrient dense. Your smoothies will stay fresh longer when blended with the Void system. The vacuum process reduces oxidation, letting you store drinks in the fridge for several days without losing quality or nutrients. And if you don't have a VitaMix or Blendtec, you can get the complete vacuum blending solution directly from Void Systems, which contains absolutely everything you need to start enjoying the benefits of vacuum blending right away. I'll leave a link to my discount code in the description. The only drawback is the extra time needed for the vacuum process. While it adds a few minutes to your blending routine, it's certainly not what I call a chore. Overall, these Void Systems vacuum blending products are worth every penny. Not that many people know about them yet, but those who do always say that getting into vacuum blending has been a great decision for the quality of their smoothies.